West, News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, another good amount of sunshine tomorrow, but some of these high mid-level clouds out in Kansas and Nebraska will begin to increase tomorrow afternoon, and these will tend to thicken up. The good news is the core of this system right here in California, with all the flooding rainfall, will stay mainly south of our area, though we may get an isolated shower Friday morning, but then we clear the skies out again. Our stormy weather is out in the Pacific, and all this storminess is on the move eastward, and it will result in two pretty big storms. One Sunday, Monday, and early Tuesday, and then right at the heart of mid-month with widespread rainfall. And after that, we'll usher in some much colder weather. Now tonight, relatively mild for the time of year. We should be around 20 to the low 20s. We'll be around 28, 29 for the low. Tomorrow, we are well up into the 40s. Some places will get to 50 degrees. We're only down into the upper 30s to low 40s tomorrow night. But Friday, we kind of hover in the upper 30s to mid 40s for high temperatures as the winds begin to turn back to the northwest. So that said, tomorrow mostly sunny part of the day, but then increasing clouds, a 49-degree high. Not as much wind tomorrow as what we had today, but still a south-southwest breeze around 10 to 15. On Friday, the wind cranks back up again, and after a cloudy early part of the day with maybe an isolated shower, we clear it out, but the winds will be strong. Gusts exceeding 30 miles an hour, just like today, with a high of 42. So it will feel colder than that high of 42, wind chills in the 30s. So winds diminish tonight. They crank up tomorrow. Notice the gusts here up around 10, 20 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour at times. Still pretty gusty into Friday with some gusts exceeding 30. And after winds decrease a little bit Friday night, guess what? They crank back up on Saturday with gusts 20, 25 miles an hour. So you get the idea. Pretty much every day is breezy to windy in some regard. Now, tonight we are mostly clear. Tomorrow, here comes some of the clouds in. Tomorrow night we go cloudy. An isolated shower possible early Friday morning. Otherwise, a clearing trend for Friday afternoon. And a chunk of Saturday will see a lot of sun, but we will cloud up during Saturday afternoon and into Saturday evening. So for the parade, the Christmas parade, downtown Lafayette Saturday evening, clouds continuing to thicken, a lot of wind, and a temperature around 42, though it's going to feel like the low 30s with that pretty strong wind, especially as the buildings funnel that wind right through area streets. Cloudy Sunday, some rain begins to develop. A lot of rain Monday. Rain ends as a little snow on Tuesday as it gets a little bit cooler. But what I'm watching for beyond the mid-month, midpoint of December point is all this cold air up here in central northern Canada. That's a chunk of really cold air that will get in here near the midpoint and afterward, with some lows in the single digits to near zero and opportunities for some snow. So enjoy the milder weather.